Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio with Wix website. So basically creating a portfolio with website is almost similar with creating a blog. You're going to want to create pages and fill it in with details of yourself. It's very easy and I'm going to show you how you can create it just from scratch. So right here, I already have my Wix account, and if you haven't created one, you can go ahead and create before you continue and watch this tutorial. Now, I'm going to create a new site. I know I already have some, but I'm just going to create a new one so that you can follow along on how you can create your portfolio from scratch. The first thing they're going to ask you is whether you will want to use the help of Wix AI to create your website. I'm just going to go ahead and not use the AI. And then they're going to ask you about what kind of website you're going to create. Right off the bat, you're going to see a selection of websites that they offer. You can create online store, portfolio, blog, etc. Obviously, the one that we're going to create is a portfolio, but I'm also going to show you that if you ever need to create a specific type of site but it does not appear on the options below, you can always type it out on the search bar right here. So right here I'm going to try and divide my portfolio a little bit. As you can see, if you type in portfolio, another options or another selections are going to show. Different type of portfolios are going to show, and you can choose from the selection what kind of portfolio you would like to create. Or you can also just type in more keywords so that your templates or the sites templates that Wix are going to offer you later is going to be more relatable to your portfolio. So you can search for creative portfolio or photography portfolios, etc. Just make sure to insert a keywords according to what kind of portfolio you're going to need to create. So now the portfolio I'm going to create is a social media portfolio. After I insert those keywords, I'm going to go ahead and choose what kind of things I would like to add for my website. So Wix are going to offer you several things that they think you're going to need for your website or for your portfolio. For me, they're offering, or they suggest that I will have a portfolio sections, obviously because that's what we're creating, and Instagram feed sections, etc. You don't really have to choose every single things if you feel like it's not necessary for your portfolio. I'm just going to go ahead and choose everything. And then you can also choose whether you will want to start with a template like I've mentioned earlier, or you will want to start from scratch. I always like to start with a template just so that I can get the general idea and I don't really have to think about the design from scratch. But if you like to create everything from scratch, literally from scratch, meaning that the design, the pages, etc. is according to how you want to create it, go ahead and do so. But since every single template that Wix are going to offer you is going to be customizable, again, I always like to start with a template. And if you're browsing around the templates but you're not really sure how the whole templates looks like, you can just go ahead and hover your clickers on top of a template, and then two options are going to show. The first one is edit and the second one is view. So if you're not sure with your templates, you can always view it first and a new window is going to open and you can just take a look at how that template's going to look like. For example, this one right here consists of several pages, but they comes in a form of buttons. So I can also see that most of the buttons that are inside of this template connected to outside link. So no matter which button I press, it's going to bring me to another tab that says that I can link something to that button. I don't really want my portfolio to have too much of an outside link button, so I'm going to try and find another templates. This one right here, however, have everything in just one website. So I think I'm going to work with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit this site. And right here, they're going to show you that there are things that you could add to your site, or in this case, to your portfolio. You can add elements, you can add sections, you can edit pages and menu, you can design your site, you can also add apps if you need to, etc. And then you can also ask AI to help you write your portfolio. So right here, I'm just going to add a prompt or a short sentence that are going to explain a little bit about who am I. So I'm going to tell the story about my journey as a social media manager with an accounting degree. So with this short introduction, the AI are going to create some more sentences that are going to tell my employer, if I ever going to give this portfolio to my employer, a little bit about me. Obviously, if you're going to create a professional portfolio, you're going to want to write it with your own language, but for the sakes of the tutorial, I'm just going to use AI to help me create a brief introductions. And I noticed that the first page or the home page of this portfolio site consists of only several sections. The first one is I'm going to call it the title section. So I'm just going to alter it a little bit. I'm going to change the given name from this template to my name. And I'm going to leave the social media manager's text because that is the portfolio that we're going to create. And then it also have a picture sections, and we're going to go to there in a bit. And right here, I'm just showing you that you can change the font size, the font type, etc. You can just click on the text and this text setting is going to appear. So you can change the colors, again, the font size and the font type. So go ahead and alter the templates, because even if you choose a certain template, it doesn't mean that you always have to use every single element exactly like how the templates bring you. You can always customize it so that this template or this portfolio is going to show who you are. And we got this picture sections right here. Now, every single pictures in this sections are customizable. You can change it to however you like. All you have to do is click on the picture sections and then click on manage medias. It's going to bring you to this gallery sections right here. And over here, you can upload your own pictures. You can change the pictures that appears over here. You can add captions to it. You can put names on it, etc. Once you finish inserting all of the pictures you will want to put into your portfolio, you can also setting the display of this gallery view. All you have to do is again click on the picture sections, and then a settings options are going to appear. On the setting options, you will be able to change the templates of your pictures. So for example, right here we have the gallery view, we have the grid view, etc. So you can choose whichever view you would like, and you also have the options to change what will happen if people click on a certain pictures. So right here it says that if you click on a pictures, a link will open, or you can also change it to it's going to bring you to some kind of page, or you can also change to nothing happens. It depends on what you will want to put on your portfolio. Next, to move to another page, all you have to do is you're going to go to the top left of your screen and you're going to find the page options. Over there, you can jump around to the pages that are available on your templates. I have several pages and I'm going to try to go to the about page and see how it looks like. So on this page, I can see that I can found the AI writing that we've created earlier. If you remember, I inserted a brief explanation or a short sentence that shows a little bit about myself, and AI managed to create this paragraph that elongates the short sentence that I've inserted before. And then it also have a button sections. There is this CV button that allows people to download my CV if they click on it. So to customize it, all you have to do is click on the paperclip symbols that are going to appear if you click on that button, and then you can choose whether that button are going to bring you to download a document, bring you to a new page, or open a new web address. So you can setting it however you want it to be. For this template, it comes with document downloader, so it's totally changeable. Don't worry, every single template on Wix are changeable. You can also add animations to your portfolio, so there is a lot of animation that you can choose, but me personally would suggest you to avoid anything too crazy. I don't really like using the circle or the spinning looking animation. I prefer it to be either fade in or slide or gliding in. And you can also alter your animation. You can change its direction, you can change the duration, etc. To add sections to your portfolio, all you have to do is click on the Add Sections option on the menu on the left side of your screen, and then drag on the sections you will want to put onto your portfolio. You can also change the color palette of your portfolio by going to the Site Design option on the left side of your screen. So that is basically all you need to know when you're trying to create a portfolio with Wix website. Don't forget to check and customize every single page if you're creating your portfolio from scratch with Wix website. And after you're ready, after you're sure that everything that are on your portfolio is right, you can go ahead and publish your website, and then you can share on this specific website and use it as your portfolio. And once your site is published, you can check on how your portfolio website will look like and make sure that everything is according to how you want it, and make sure that every single information that is on there is already right. So that is it. That is how you can create a portfolio with Wix website. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.